Are you that Karen is complaining your love language is your couch surgically attached? Do your clothes scream, oh heck no?
Hey, I like this.
Have you tried playing with that plastic circle lately?
Say what?
Yeah, hula hooping. It's a thing.
And it's not like your grandma's hula hooping. Or maybe it is, because your grandma probably has some really great hot smoking moves.
Hey, put down that coffee.
It's tea.
What if, when you start dancing, hula hoop dancing, with Hip The Hoopla, with the happy hooping habit, you're going to get so many awesome benefits. Did you know that you can get a huge boost of energy? Woohoo! You'll also get natural healing and pain relief. Hello, massage, endorphins. You'll get the most fun way to exercise. Hello, this is a workout. It also counts as exercise. And this is a way you can laugh your off, maybe literally. So be the fun Karen. Light up a party. Entertain the room. Have a great attitude. Join the happy hooping habit right now. Welcome to the circle.